You know, Ryan, we could say it's been cold around here, although it doesn't quite feel right with the temperatures in the 20s, right? But the wind chill really hasn't made it particularly cold around here.
And it was windy a lot of January, and that wind's continued, but nice to get a little break from it today.
Yeah, absolutely.
We're almost done with the month.
I know, we're 3 weeks into February.
A little bit more than a week left, and so I thought I'd throw the calendar up. We're running more than 5 degrees below average for the month so far in the Portland area. We'll see how we end up once the month comes to an end, but certainly has been a cold month around here. Right now we have temperatures that are in the mid-20s for most of us, 9 degrees in Rangeley. Of course, the biggest difference today was we didn't have the wind that we had yesterday. Clear sky out there tonight. You can see this deck of clouds associated with the storm getting close to Long Island. That spreads into us during the day tomorrow. But the snow, as you saw in that report, is really going to be staying to our south. Could be up to a foot of snow in the area around Hampton Roads, Norfolk, Virginia, too. So their turn to get in on it while we catch a break from the snow around here. We just have the cold tonight, not much wind, but the actual temperatures will drop into the single digits above zero near the coastline and some single digits below zero farther inland. The most sunshine tomorrow will be in the morning, partly sunny at that point, but then clouds really thicken up in the afternoon. There'll be a much grayer afternoon tomorrow. Temperatures similar to today, mid to upper 20s, might get close to 30. And you can see the snow shield from the storm offshore 6 o'clock tomorrow night, but it really doesn't make much northward progress. There could be a stray flurry, but other than that, this will be a miss for us tomorrow night. Friday, we start with a few clouds, but we'll see quick clearing through the morning. And temperatures on Friday back into the 20s to near 30. But on Friday, we again will have some wind to deal with on the backside of that system. Not quite as gusty as we had yesterday or on Monday, but still some gusts to around 30 miles per hour on Friday. So there's the storm system there. On the backside, we get the breeze on Friday, but it's really just one day of a gusty breeze. I think on Saturday, the wind will lighten up, and it actually looks like a really nice day. Sunshine just mixing with some high clouds in the afternoon. A weak system comes down from the north on Sunday, and it really is very weak. There could be a scattered flurry or light snow shower, especially over the northern part of the state. But other than that, nothing really to worry about through the weekend, which is good because we had 2 storms hit on Sundays the last 2 weeks. Seas 1 to 2 feet tomorrow, a calmer day for a change on the water. Increasing clouds tomorrow. We'll have highs in the upper 20s to around 30. Clearing and breezy on Friday with gusts up to about 30 miles per hour. Sunny with a calmer wind on Saturday. We'll get into the low 30s. And then we bump the temperatures up a bit early next week. Likely a few days above freezing and maybe even around 40. The next system you see there on Tuesday also looks fairly weak. We're kind of back to this pattern with these little clippers that come with showers, but no big storms at least through the middle of next week.
Plenty of snow to play in still.
And it's not going to melt. Even if we get that little warm up, it'll stick around. So.
Good news for the ski areas.
Yeah.
Thanks, Ryan.
You're welcome.